Yet another world premiere from the Star stand, the SD-26 Type S, a machine tool capable of the most complex machining with programmable B-axis heads. And I'm going to talk to Phil to find out more. Phil, Star are always bringing out new technology, new innovations, new machine tools to the market, and I'm really looking forward to find out more about the SD-26 Type S.
Yes, Hugh. So we have, like you say, we have the new 26mm machine premiering at the AMB show this week. Offers customers a lot more flexibility going forward in a sort of mid-range size machine. It has additional B-axis capability, plus some extra tools on the back working.
So can you start off by telling me about the additional B-axis capability?
Yeah, so we have a standard B-axis on the far side of the machine, giving 4 spindles forward facing and 4 spindles rear facing. Then next to that we have a second programmable B-axis, which is modular. We can fit a twin thread welding unit to this, or we can fit also some power-driven tooling to suit the customer's needs.
Now, the thread whirling unit on this machine, I've not really seen that before. I'm not familiar with it. What does it do and how does it work?
The thread whirling is a standard practice for medical type bone screws, but generally the angle of the thread whirling unit is fixed, meaning only one sort of lead can be manufactured on that one particular component. With it being fully programmable and having 2 separate heads, we can produce two different bone screw forms and leads on the same component.
Now I noticed that some of the platens are at the back of the machine now. Why is this?
So yeah, so the back working has been moved from the front to the back. This minimises the width of the machine, making the most of the floor space available at the customer, and it also makes automation easier, so it gives us more room for automated loading and unloading of components.
Now you have different variants of this SD-26 type machine.
Yeah.
Why is this? Is it due to different applications and different customer requirements?
Yeah, correct. So we have 4 variants. The Type S is the top line model, and then we have three sort of lower specs, or slightly lower spec models at different price points with different capabilities to suit the customer needs and the customer price point.
So this machine is jam-packed with new features and new technology. It's going to be showcased in the UK soon at the Star Open House. Can you give us any more details of when this will be?
Yep, so the Star Open House is November the 22nd for 3 days. So the SD-26 will be on show, as well as some other new technologies from our FMB partner and some other partner companies as well. So they'll be well worth coming to see us and sort of see the new technology on show.